Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management. Click on Taxation. Go to Setup. Then to Payroll Tax Slab. Click on Payroll Tax Slab. Click on New Tax Slab. Enter slab ending. Enter slab rate. Enter slab deduction. Click on Payroll Tax Slab. A payroll tax includes the taxes employees and employers pay on wages, tips, and salaries. For employees, taxes are withheld from their paychecks and paid to the government by the employer.